Good morning, class 5. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the third revision video lecture of the chapter Nervous System. So, all the chapters means whatever is there in the chapter, how nerves work, how cell brain, what is brain, how brain function, reflex action, spinal cord. All these things are already discussed. So today we are going to see the exercise. Exercise A. Choose the correct answer. System that carries and brings message to and from the brain is: first, muscular system; second, excretory system; C, nervous system; D, skeletal system. Answer will be C, nervous system. Nerve that carries a message from body part to brain is called: A, motor nerves; B, sensory nerves; C, mixed nerves; D, optic nerve. Answer will be sensory nerves. The largest part of brain is: A, cerebrum; B, cerebellum; C, medulla; D, skull. Answer will be cerebrum. Activities like running, playing, moving, hand and etc. are controlled by cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, all of these. Answer will be cerebellum. Reflex actions are controlled by A, medulla; B, spinal cord; C, backbone; D, hand. Answer will be B, spinal cord. Eye is protected by a transparent covering called iris; B, retina; C, pupil; D, cornea. Answer will be D, cornea. The largest external organ that is also a sense organ is: A, skin; B, ear; C, nose; D, eye. Answer will be A, skin. Skin is the largest organ, or it is a sense organ. Name the system that works as the internal communication network of the body. Nervous system work as the internal communication network of the body. Which nerves carry messages from body to brain? Sensory nerves carry messages from body to brain. Which part of the brain controls thinking, learning and talking? Cerebrum controls thinking, learning and talking. Name the action controlled by the spinal cord. Reflex action. Which sense organ help us to keep our balance? Ear help us to keep our balance. Why does food not taste good when we have cold? Food do not taste good when we have cold because sense of smell and sense of taste are interconnected. If we cannot smell, then we cannot taste the food. How do eyelids and eyelashes help the eye? Eyelids and eyelashes protect the eyes from the dust and dirt particles, and eyelid clean the eyes regularly when we blink, and eyelashes protect the eye from the dust from entering into the eyes. What is reflex action? Automatic response of the body to any change in the surrounding is called reflex action. How is it different from the other action? It is different from the other action because other actions are controlled by brain, but reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. How does brain convey message to different part of the body? Brain convey different message to different part of the body through motor nerves, with the help of motor nerves through spinal cord. What are sense organs? Organs that help us to know about our surrounding is called sense organ. Give one function of the each. Eyes help us to see, ear help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, and skin make us sensitive to heat, touch or cold or pressure. Differentiate between sensory and motor nerves. Sensory nerves carry messages from sense organ to brain. Motor nerves carry messages from brain to different part of the body. Cerebrum and cerebellum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Cerebellum is smaller, and it is smaller than the cerebrum, and it is just below the cerebrum. Cerebrum controls thinking, learning, and cerebellum controls involuntary actions such as walking, playing, and running. Pick the odd one giving reason. Nerves, vein, brain, spinal cord. Veins, veins you have to tick. Reason will be except veins, all three nerves, brain and spinal cord are the part of nervous system. Sensory nerves, motor nerves, reflex action, mixed nerves. Sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves are type of nerve, but reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. It is different from the nerves. Cerebrum, spinal cord, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Answer will be spinal cord, because except spinal cord, all three are the part of brain. Face, nose, eyes, ear. Except face, all three are the sense organs. Okay. Next, quick assignment. Write T for true or F for false against the given statement. The nervous system is the communication system of our body. True. Our nervous system is a network of nerves only. No. It is also have spinal cord and brain. So false. Medulla is the largest part of the brain. No. Cerebrum is the largest part. So false. Cerebellum lies in the back part of cerebrum. Yes. True. Nerve connect the spinal cord with the brain. True. Okay, fill in the blanks. Dash and nerve cells work together to carry messages. Sense organ and nerve cells, spinal cord and nerve cells work together to carry messages. The largest part of brain is cerebrum. Playing, running and riding are controlled by cerebellum. The dash is the outer protective covering of the body, skin. Moving hand away from the hot pot is a reflex action. Name the following. The organ which is the main control center of the body, brain. The part of brain which control thinking, learning, talking, cerebrum. The part of the brain which controls voluntary muscles, cerebellum. The nerves which carry messages from body part to brain, sensory nerves. Nerves which carry messages from brain to muscles, motor nerves. Match the following, column A and column B. Brain, it center of the nervous system. Nerve cells, thread-like structure. Spinal cord, protected by backbone. Skull protects the brain. Reflex action involves only nerves and spinal cord. Okay, that was the end of the exercise.